This window is a casement window, and you're probably familiar with casements. They crank out. There's a couple of different types of casements. There are probably more than a couple, but the ones that we're most familiar with are a crank casement, and then this is a push-out casement, which basically it just pushes open as opposed to doing this crank motion. As far as the components of the window, this is what we call the sash. I think of it as, in this terms, as the moving part of the window. And of course they don't all move, not all sashes, because some are stationary. This is what we call the frame around here. This is weather stripping along the sash of the window, but also there's weather stripping if you look inside, actually on the frame of the window. So you get a dual seal with the window. And then there are options on screens, but this particular one has what we call a hinged screen on it. I don't know if you can see it. This is kind of fragile, so I'm not going to pop it in, but you can also do a retractable screen on some of the windows that we sell.